Football season, it's here. Time for small bites. Have a Carmenere wine this one's from Chile, and you can pair it with spicy bites. Jalapeno, salami, cheddar, pepper jack cheese, things like that will totally go with this wine. The wine, dark berry notes, the green pepper notes are there. You could do salami. This one, I just did salami with the cream cheese. I'll open it up. Jalapenos, cheddar, and you just spread it on and just wrap it around, press it, seals it, it's ready to go. Or if you don't want to do that, I did already take a bite, but you could do a stuffed jalapeno. Just chop it in half, mix in your cream cheese, salami, cheddar cheese, and just stuff it. I have the cream cheese. I am using the jalapeno honey cream cheese from Tillamook, so there is a touch of sweetness. So let's try. You get the spicy notes. I did take out the seeds because I didn't want it too spicy. The green pepper notes show up. They match each other. The berry fruits there to kind of calm down some of the spicy notes. Even with the one with the salami, still spicy. You got the cheddar. I did a little bit more thicker cheddar chunks, but it's still on the spicy side. The savoriness of that salami. Yeah, you get, again, the pepper notes come out. It matches each other. It cuts through the fattiness of the salami. You've got that nice dark fruits coming to calm down the spiciness, and you're ready for that next bite. So either one if you choose, or if you choose something a little different, but still on the spicier side, try Carmenere. You won't regret it. Here's to another touchdown. Great pairing.